This is a small room. It's empty, there's no people inside here, so there's a bit of echo, but not too much. So I don't really need to overemphasize my articulation, and I don't need to worry too much about my resonance, because no matter where you are in this room, you can understand what I'm saying. And right now, I'm not pausing for any length of time, and I'm not over-articulating, yet you could still pick me up if you were in this room. The camera should have no problem picking this up, and this is just with the camera microphone as well. Let's try this. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Did you understand that? Was it clear? Good. Let's try a different room. This is a medium-sized room, and although it doesn't look too wide or too long, it is quite high. And so there is more of an echo than there was in the small room. Again, there's no people in here, so there's nothing to dampen down my voice and actually absorb some of the sound. So the echo does last a little bit longer, and therefore it's important for me to punctuate what I'm saying and add slight pauses in between sentences in order for any audience member within this room to be able to understand what I'm saying without losing it because of the time it takes for the echo to stop. If I'm to try, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, it's clear that I need to articulate much more precisely than previously in the smaller room. And this is still coming from the camera microphone without any added extras. This is a large room, and if I don't take the time to pause in between my sentences, there would be no opportunity for those in this room, of which right now there are not any, to understand clearly what it is I am trying to convey with my speaking. It's absolutely vital to add a decent amount of pause and clear diction and articulation so that everyone in a space as large as this is able to follow what I am saying. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. If this was just on camera, with a camera microphone, you wouldn't pick up the echo, but it's not. I was giving you the complete room sounds, therefore articulation, the larger the space, needs to be clearer. And that is the rule. I hope this has been useful for you. My name is Darren McStay. This is Improve Your Voice. And until the next time, look after your voice.
I have so many tales to tell, and up till now I've been telling them real badly, so I hate myself and all my faults, because the one thing time won't heal, the loss of days gone by.